Hello everybody, my name is JC and I'm the Senior Director of Research and Development here at Renewable. Today I want to talk to you about our RenewTerra microgreen mats and go over some of the frequently asked questions that people have for us and just address them all one by one. So they're a blend of organic fibers, including some drought-tolerant crops like jute. Jute fibers are common in a lot of textiles and things like this. They're easy to grow without irrigation or fertilizer, and that's kind of the basis for some of our blends. And then we use other biopolymer fibers as well to bind those together so they don't need to be woven. So the process is simpler, takes less energy, they're easy to produce, and everything about them is relatively sustainable compared to the alternatives.